Welcome, my name is Logan and this is the Thrill of the Outdoors. Let's go! Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. This is The Thrill. This is our first major video. Today I'm out here in the great outdoors. A little bit of snow on the ground. I'm taking my truck off-road. I love taking this truck off-roading. I got the Ram 1500. It's got the 4.7 V8. I got some great big old tires on it. And this thing is, I tell you, when it comes off-roading, it is unmatched. So today we're going to take it a little bit on some trails around here. And what is that sound? No way. What are you doing here?
You talking so highly about your truck, dude?
Yeah, man, this thing is unmatched when it comes to off-roading.
You see these?
Bro, I got twice as much brake.
Dude, I'm gonna destroy you.
Yeah. Look at the tire compared to these.
Hey, you want to put your money where your mouth is?
You might have to do that. Sounds like we got competition.
We'll see how this goes.
Alright guys, we're going to hit some trails. It's going to be truck versus quad. I want you to drop a comment down below what you think is going to be the best and what do you prefer.
You know who is. You know who is the one. I got
Truck
things
right
to do.
We'll see you later.
Hello there.
Nope. Nope.
Hello there.
Nope.
Bye, have a great time.
I'm away downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
that was fun.
It was. I think we figured out who wins, though.
Yeah? What do you think?
The quad. You know, it whipped through those trails very easy. Your truck, I mean, kept slipping up those hills, some of them.
Yeah, see, the truck weighs how many more times more than that? So,
We got about 30 tons on this thing.
I got like 2 tons on the, oh, that's black.
So all right, this is heavier. All right, I think I won.
I think
I think we can shake on that. I won.
that's
You know what? To be continued.
to be continued. Maybe another time.
Come on with me, old
Well,
Betsy.
thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Who do you think won, the truck or the quad? And he already took the quad. Special thanks to Rec TV. Huge supporter of mine. I've been a huge supporter of him as well. Go check out his channel. I will leave a link in the description below. Just go give him a shout. Go give him a subscribe and like. Watch some of his videos. Make sure if you liked it, make sure you subscribe and you like this video, and I will get you more videos out. Uh-oh. He's still in the quad.